Hey guys, what's up? It's me Khushbu and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna be telling you some products which are amazing and they are under the budget. So guys, I have been using these products from a long time now and they have worked very good for me. I'm not gonna lie, they have worked really good for me. So I thought of sharing these products with you all. So here the first product I have with me is this Savannah palette, guys. This has like 6 shades of blush, one contour shade and one highlighter, and I got this palette for, here you can see the price. So guys, this is such an amazing palette. Like, you got 6 shades of blush and they are very good. Let me get you a swatch. These are the first 3. They're so amazing. And here now I'm getting and here are the other 3. They all are different and they all work so good. 2 of them has a satin finish, like they are a little bit shimmery. So yes, but this palette is amazing, guys. But guys, this palette contains parabens, so yeah, that's it. And this is also an amazing palette. So now the second product I want to talk about is my personal favorite. I am not going to lie, I work with this palette every day and this is my favorite palette. Here is this mini Swiss Beauty palette, guys. I work with this, I use this every day. This is such an amazing palette. You know, I'm not just talking only about the eyes. You have a tone like me, like if you're this tone, you can use it as a bronzer as well. This has like 9 shades in it. Some of them are so pigmented, not only some of them, like every shade is pigmented right here. I use this and this shade, I just mix them up a little bit and I use it as my bronzer, and that's just wonders me because this gets perfect with my tone. And if you are just like a dusky tone you have like me, so you can definitely go with this palette, not only for eyes but also for your face and bronzing. This is an amazing palette, guys. Let me also get you swatches of this. So these are the first 3 shades I got swatch of. Look how pigmented they are, guys. They are very pigmented. I love this shade. This is my favorite shade. This is that shade. Now let's get the other 3 swatch. The shimmer here is also very pigmented, guys. They are amazing. You can see like right here. And now let's get the swatch of these 3 now. So here, there's no space for swatches. So guys, as you can see, there are no space for swatches on my hand now. But they are so very pigmented, guys. I must recommend you this palette because this palette is out of the world amazing under a budget. The price of this palette is so affordable, like amazing, beautiful. You should definitely go for this palette. This is amazing, my personal favorite. So guys, the next product है वो है ये Sugar Calm Mini Blush. This is amazing. It is a little pricey, like it is around 300, but it's worth the price, guys. This is so very pigmented. I use it almost every day, but today I have not used it. I've used a lipstick, but this blush is superb, and I'm a big fan of blushes, and this is amazing. You have to go for this. So now the last two products that I have with me are these. So one is from Inside Cosmetics. This is Shiny Eyeliner Waterproof. They are no kidding. This is actually waterproof. They are not kidding at all. This is actually waterproof. I've been using it for a year now, and this is actually amazing. At only this price. Bomb, like amazing. Let me just show you on my hand. Perfect black color and waterproof as well. And now the next liner I have with me, this is not a shiny liner. This is a little bit waterproof. This is from Maybelline New York, the Colossal Bold Liner. This is very black, much more black than Inside Cosmetics one, and this is also amazing. Right now I have applied this one, and that's amazing. Both liners are smudge proof. Perfect. So these were the products that I literally wanted to talk about this because they are so amazing and under the budget. So you should definitely go for these products that I'm talking about. If you're a beginner, they are perfect for you. And my personal favorite is this palette because I can use it for my face as well as for my eyes. So these were some products that I loved, and of course under the budget. They are amazing. So that was it with the video, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye bye.